Don't drop the ball on this. Understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very popular English idiom, drop the ball. This phrase is often used in both casual conversations and professional settings. Understanding idioms like this can really shine a light on the nuances of English and make you sound like a native speaker. So, let's not drop the ball on this opportunity to learn something new. The phrase, drop the ball, is used to indicate that someone has made a mistake, especially by failing to fulfill a responsibility or missing an opportunity. It's often used when the mistake is seen as careless or due to a lack of attention. Interestingly, this idiom has its roots in sports, where literally dropping a ball can lead to a missed opportunity or a mistake in the game. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember its meaning. The phrase, drop the ball, is believed to have originated from sports, particularly from American football or baseball, where players are expected to catch and hold onto the ball. Dropping the ball in these games can lead to a missed pass or a fumble, negatively affecting the team's performance. This sports reference was then adopted into everyday language to describe any kind of mistake or oversight. Let's see how drop the ball is used in everyday conversation. 1. In the workplace, I really dropped the ball on that project. I missed the deadline because I overlooked the client's email. 2. In personal life, I was supposed to organize the family reunion, but I dropped the ball and forgot to book the venue. In both cases, the phrase is used to admit a mistake or oversight, often with a sense of regret. It's important to use the phrase correctly to make sure your message is clear. Remember, drop the ball is typically used in negative contexts. It implies a mistake or failure in responsibility. It's often used in a reflective manner, where the speaker acknowledges their own mistake. Example, I can't believe I dropped the ball on our anniversary plans. I'll make it up to you. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, drop the ball. Now you know how to use this idiom to express a mistake or a missed opportunity. Remember, learning idioms can really help you understand the culture and nuances of a language. So, keep practicing and don't drop the ball on your journey to becoming fluent in English.